6.4 use tangent and chord properties. This is page 123, and it says that a tangent to a circle is perpendicular to the radius. It means we know what is tangent mean. Usually, this is an intersection, a line and circle crosses, and at 2 points or two intersection points. Sometimes it will crosses with one intersection point. So it is not reasonable to tell cross. We will tell touch. So this touching line we call tangent line to the circle. Now the tangent to a circle is perpendicular. So this is the radius. So the radius is perpendicular to the tangent, not this radius, because this is not perpendicular. So we can draw infinite number of radius. Only one radius is perpendicular to the tangent. That radius should end up by touching this point. So when you start here, that radius should end up by touching this point. That is the one is perpendicular, not others. That's why they are a radius of the circle at the point of intersection. That's why especially they are at the point of intersection. So we don't need this unnecessaries. Now, what is the use of it? The use of it, if we know this gradient, then we can find the perpendicular gradient. If we know the gradient of this one, then we can find the perpendicular gradient. That's the only thing we can grab as a result. The second one is the perpendicular bisector of a chord will go through the center of a circle. So we know when you take a line segment, I'll take the middle. So this is a bisector line. But this is not perpendicular. So I'll pick up a perpendicular line. Okay. So this is perpendicular, those two lines. Now this line segment is a chord. What it's saying that the perpendicular bisector of the chord will go through the center of the circle. If you extend this one, this will go through the center of the circle. Then what kind of data you can grab? If this line is a perpendicular bisector, then it is go through center. Hence you can take a center coordinates to find the equation of this line, perpendicular bisector, equation of perpendicular bisector. You can use not only this middle one, you can use the center coordinate. We will go through the exercise and then it will clear for you.